Hi friends, in this video, we will learn how to check the data type of an object. The built-in type function can be used to fetch the data type of any object which is referenced by a variable. For example, if we assign 100 to a variable named count, we can get the data type of the object storing the value by simply invoking the type function. In this case, it is an int as 100 is an integer. Next, we assign 3.141 to a variable named pi as it represents the mathematical constant pi. On calling the type function, the data type of the object returned is float as it is a floating point number. Similarly, on calling the type function on the variable t to which the text Python is assigned, the corresponding data type is output, which is str, which represents string. The is operator, when combined with this function, can help you directly test whether the object is of a given type. For example, after assigning 100 to a variable count, the expression type of count is int can be used to check if the data type is int. As 100 is an integer, the result returned is true. You can also test if the data type is one of the mentioned types by using the in operator, followed by a tuple of potential data types for which we are testing. For example, after assigning 100 to a variable count, the expression type of count in tuple int comma float returns true, as 100 is stored in an object of type int.